Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. This RBX Cement Kettlebell is a great part of my home workout routine. This one is 10 pounds and it has a nice wide handle, which makes it very comfortable to hold and easy to grip. I also like the nice wide base. So when I'm doing exercises where I'm using two hands, it's nice and easy to hold it steady and easily. The base is also flat, so it can be stored upright, and it's clearly marked as 10 pounds. So I can quickly and easily identify and reach for the right weight that I'm looking for. This RBX Kettlebell is a go-to piece of workout equipment in my home gym. And that's my point of view.